cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Kickin Chicken from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute chicken, let's first start by drawing her beak. So I'm going to start right here in the center and draw a curve. So it's a little bit sharper. Then from there, I'm going to draw the eyes. So this is my center. I'm going to come to the left a little bit, give myself a point, and come to the right and give myself a point. So I just want the middle clear. And then I'm just going to go ahead and draw this ovalish shape. So I'm going to curve up, nice and high, bring it down, and bring it right back. So we're just trying to draw this ovalish shape right here to put in the eyes. So same thing over here. Just don't go past the center, and once again, same height, and we're going to go down. So it's a little bit wider towards the bottom, and then bring it in. There. Then from there, we're going to come inside the center, and we're going to draw this big oval. And same thing here. Right inside. Then let's come inside here and just shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have it all shaded in, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. So I'm going to use the eyes as my guide. I'm going to come down nice and wide, so about right here. And same thing about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right under this beak, all the way across to my other point, right there under the eyes. Then I'm just going to stretch this out even wider. And same thing here, go up a little bit more, and then we're going to go ahead and just cap it off with a big curve. So same thing here, just cap it off. Then let's go ahead and come back in here and here as well, and we're just going to draw this very deep curve for a big smile. Just bring it down towards the center, and same thing here. And just connect it. Now that we have the smile in, let's go ahead and come back to inside this big mouth, and about right here in the center, I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm going to draw two curves for the tongue. And then I'm going to come right in here and shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better. And once again, my Sharpie is drying out every time I draw one of these. But I think we can make it all the way. Let's not waste it, right? Almost there, sorry. I know we can do it. I just don't want to waste this Sharpie because it still has a little bit left. Okay, there. Then from there, let's go ahead and need to draw the face. So I'm going to come back to this area right here, and I'm going to draw a curve around the mouth, and I'm going to come out and just draw two curves for feathers right here. And then same thing here, so come right here, and we're going to come out just like the other side and just draw two curves. Then we're going to go ahead and follow that big curve that you drew and go all the way around it. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go back to the center between the eyes. We're going to go up, say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and from here I'm going to go up, a curve, and bring it down. Kind of following the eyes. So same thing here, go up and around the eyes and down, just like the other side. Then from there, let's draw the feathers on top of the head. So they're going to be about here and here. So there's 3 of them. So I'm going to start about right here. I'm going to leave the center. So 1, 2, I'm just giving myself points. So let's start about right here, and I'm going to go ahead and come up and then down and curve it in. Then we're going to come right here. So this is the center feather, and we're going to go up and taper it in, and then 1 more, and same thing, just tuck it in. There. Then we need to draw the brow so that it doesn't get in the way. Let's just put it really high up, right about here, and we're just going to draw a curve coming down and thicken it up right over the eyes. And I'll just go ahead and thicken up the front. There, now we have our Kickin Chicken. Then from there, let's draw the body. So we're going to come right underneath this tongue. It's about here and here, nice and centered, and we're going to go ahead and come out with 2 angle lines. From there, let's go ahead and round it off. So we're going to bring it down and say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. Then since we're down here, let's go ahead and find our center, which is here. We're going to go to the left and go to the right. So give yourself 2 points. And from there, we're going to go straight down. We're going to start to draw the legs. So I'm going to come down, and then about right here, I'm going to angle out a little bit. And then we're using this point. So this is higher, this is lower. We're going to come out, a curve, and we're going to start to draw the feet. So we're going to go 1, then come in, 2, and another 1, and in. And then just go ahead and connect it. There. And then about right here, go ahead and cut it off with a curve. So same thing on the other side. Come down, and about right here, once again, come out and angle, and then this is going to go curve, and once again we have 3, 1, out, 2, and 1 more. Then just go ahead and connect it and cut it off right there. There, so we have Kickin Chicken's feet. Then from there, let's draw the wings. So right here, we're going to come out, curve it out, come in. Now just draw 1 more feather and bring it in. Nice and simple. And same thing here. And say about here, same thing. Another one, and bring it in there. And then we have a tail, so about right here, I'm going to go up and maybe 2 more fluffs and just tuck it in. And then there's a star right here in the center, so I'm going to go ahead and just draw a star. And 2 more. There, and then we're going to connect it to the neck. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Kickin Chicken from Smiling Critters. I really hope you love how this chicken turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.